Welcome to 360-degree machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of an Oliver number 81 horizontal vertical boring machine. It's dual head, it's automatic version. We could not find any repairs, any broken parts. It's complete, fully functional, older restoration, and it runs like a top. It does have the universal head. That's going to give you, right now they're spread at 3.5 inches, and they can also go down to 7/8. They can also turn vertical or horizontal. Obviously right now they're horizontal. You have 5.25 inches of clamping capacity. It's run by a 1.5-horse induction motor, 224/40 volt, currently wired 220. You got a multiple feed speed, 6 to 14 cycles per minute. The only note that I will tell you is you should not change this feed speed unless the motor is running. The machine has to be running for you to change it. On that universal head, you basically just loosen it up. So you loosen up both rotations. You're going to see that there's scales on the front. I'm going to zoom in real fast. And each one of these numbers right here, let's see if we can put the camera down here. Each one of these numbers represents an eighth, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that 4 up here is going to represent 3.5. You also have those same scales on the right. Let's get this to focus real fast. Top right of the head. And this is to adjust your horizontal. As you can see, it says horizontal. And on the top left, you have the same scales, as you can see, and it says vertical. All you have to do is line those numbers up. For instance, right now we've got it at, the 0 is here, and so we've got it at 4, so right now it's a 3.5 inch spread. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this upper handle on the right here that you see, and I'm going to spread it to the vertical number. As you can see, it will rotate 360, but we're going to rotate left. And we're going to line those numbers up, the 4 with the 4. And as you can see, we have gone into the vertical position. You basically have 3.5 here, and you have it set at 3.5 here. So that's how easy it is to change it. Now we'll put the camera back down real fast. We'll come in here. And you can obviously see, rotate this down. This will not rotate 360, it'll just rotate through the scale. And then we can come back here and we can put that 0 at 2. Now we're at 2 inches. We come back and rotate it and line the 2's up. Come back in, lock the head down. Lock it in both places. And now we are at 2-inch centers horizontally, and so on and so forth. We're going to start it real fast. As you can see, releases the material, holds your material down, comes in and dives, and then releases. You could also put a wood back fence on here. That's what these holes are for, to put a wood fence in. We're going to come in, take the lock off. We're going to turn that feed speed to the max. Again, that's about 14 cycles per minute. Again, a really, really fine example of a number 81. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.